Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Mommy!
Mommy. Did Santa Claus come see you? Huh? Good morning, Valerie. You ready to go see what Santa Claus brought you? Huh? Mommy. Let's go see. Wait for sister. Come here. Let's get sister. Hey, Sugar Booger. Hey, Sugar Booger. Oh, come on, Ray. Come on. Let's go see what Santa brought. Come on. What is all that? What is all that toys? What did Santa Claus bring?
I'm trying to talk. Megan, but it says that.
Daniel, hold on, honey. You have to push the send.
No.
Yes, you have to push send, honey. Now try it. What do you see, Mau Mau?
Mom.
What? Did Santa Claus come? No, come. Look, Rachel. What do you see? Huh? What do you see? Huh? The bucket? You got a new toy bucket? Look inside your house. Look inside your Cinderella house. What? What did Rachel find? What did Rachel find? What did Rachel find? What is that? What is that? Huh? What did you find?
Diapers.
What does this do? What does this do? Pull it.
The sheep says
The sheep says baa. Do it again. Do it again.
that's the horse.
What's the horsey say? There you go. Pull the button. Pull the button.
The duck says
The duck says quack quack. What else is there? What have you found? What have you found? Uh-oh, Daddy's got to get the scissors and open that one. Look what Sister's got. Look what Rachel found. What you got, Ray?
It is? Don't worry about it.
What you got, Rachel? What you got?